When you're sharing a computer with people at work or home, you can create your own protected space with a Windows user account. If you have an IT department at your workplace, check with them to see if your computer is connected to a domain. If it is, any user can share the computer by clicking Other User and signing in with their company username and password. The first time a user signs in, a Windows user account and personal workspace is created automatically on the computer. If the computer is connected to a work group, such as on a small business or home network, you can do it yourself. First, make sure you sign into the computer with an account that has administrator permissions. Otherwise, you won't be able to add users. We'll use Windows 8, but you can add users in previous versions of Windows by going to the Control panel and clicking Add or Remove User Accounts. In Windows 8, open the Charms bar, open Settings, and then PC Settings. Tap or click Users and add a user. You can create an account using the email address of a Microsoft account. However, we'll create an account from scratch without a Microsoft account. Click Local Account. Type a username, type a password, and add a password hint. If you're creating a user account for other people, assign a password now and tell them they can change it after they sign in for the first time. On the last page, you can add child safety features to the account if you want. Click Finish. Then follow the same process to add a user account for each person you share the computer with. After multiple users have been added to the computer, they can each sign in to access their email and Outlook. When you want to hand the computer over to another person, go to the Start screen and click your name. Then choose whether to sign out or switch to another user account. If you sign out, all of your programs close. But if you switch accounts, the next user can sign in with his username and password, and your programs keep running in the background. The new user can open Outlook and set up his email accounts, and work with his email. Then when it comes time to hand the computer back to you, he clicks his name and selects your name in the list. Now all you have to do is type your password, and everything comes back just as you left it, including your email. Even though both user accounts are running on the same computer, each one is completely separate. Each user has Outlook, but each Outlook program is personalized with different email accounts. And the only way for one user to access another user's email is to sign in with their password. Using password-protected Windows user accounts is the easiest and most secure way to share a computer. Up next, we'll look at a way to protect your email when sharing a public computer.